Just imagine you're receiving this right now. The pin there.
Good.
And then the scoop going out
good.
there. You feel that there?
Oh,
That's the knot that Jason's got that we've got to... I'm rhyming here.
Oh, we've started, isn't it?
We've started.
Oh.
Everyone's favourite Jace has done himself a mischief.
Yeah.
He's hurt his neck.
Oh.
He's probably been doing too many... bit too much mobile phone time looking at how viral he's going on YouTube. What do you reckon, Jace?
No, it's definitely not that.
I used this joke before, but I reckon your mirror would have some love bites on it, mate.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
What's that mean for the viewers that might not understand it?
You've just been kissing your mirror and you've been looking into it,
happy with myself.
Trying to give yourself a few bites on the mirror.
Yeah.
The people love him, don't they? The dolphin, the porpoise. Anyway, we're going to fix Jason's neck here. We're already in. We've been going pretty hammer and tong at it, but you definitely got some spots here, haven't you, Jace?
There's a few sore spots in there. Yeah, I just
few sore ones, yeah.
Feel it down that medial border and in around there. Yeah, when I was lying in bed, particularly this morning, once I'd sort of woken up and I was trying to get back to sleep. Yeah, trying to roll over and get comfortable. Every time I went to roll, the neck would grab and.
You waking up a bit early, Jace, are you? What's been happening?
Oh no, just this morning. Alice got up and went to the gym at 5 o'clock or something.
Oh, nice and early. Early bird gets the worm.
Yeah, so I couldn't get back to sleep and couldn't roll around, so I was lying there in pain. And
what do you mean you couldn't roll around?
Because my neck was sore.
Oh, you like to roll around on your own in bed, do you?
Yeah, don't you roll around?
Solo or tandem?
No, I don't roll around solo.
Roll around solo. Oh, wow. Wouldn't mind. I think there's a few viewers out there that wouldn't mind thinking about you rolling around in bed on your own. What do you reckon, Leo?
Oh.
All right, there's a bare bit of curry in here.
I pulled the lever.
You're trying to do a bit of chiro on yourself, Jace. Are you all right, mate?
Yeah, just a neck adjustment.
Fucking hell, that's a Ringdinger Johnson special there. He's still kicking.
Yeah. Mondragon.
Mondragon?
Oh, there's a good spot in there.
Oh, so we found a good spot.
Oh,
yeah.
it's your toe.
He's touched me toe there. Jeez, he's frisky at the moment.
So happens when you roll around in bed this morning.
Well, you haven't rolled around, so you come to work a little bit toey. Toey is a Roman sandal, as they say.
Oh.
All right, so yeah, I'm just pinning this kind of trap rhomboid area. Does that feel like it's pretty close to where your gooby is?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I know that the border of that scapula is here, so I'm pulling back into myself, and then what we can do is affect a little mini scoop going back out. Like you feel that in there. And then I'm coming up to something there. There's another little hard bit right there. You probably see me flick over that there.
Not as sore though for me.
That was okay. So we'll go back into here.
Yeah.
Right there. There's some good stuff. So just imagine you're receiving this right now. The pin there.
Good.
And then the scoop going out there. You feel that there?
Oh,
That's the knot that Jason's got that we've got to... I'm rhyming here. You fucking poet.
the
knot that Jason's got that I need to... Oh, no.
What rather than do? That's all I had.
The knot that Jason's got that I need to do. I don't know if that's very good, Jace, but that's, we'll take anything that makes you laugh. We're happy people.
We're not poets.
No. Anyway.
We won't quit our day job.
There's some good stuff in there, eh? For Jace. Awesome. I'm wondering if I could just do a bit of an interesting one here. I reckon maybe
an elbow.
An elbow up into here. We're seeing what we've got.
Oh, hang on, I'll let it happen. Oh,
let me in here, Jace. Good man. Hopefully you're getting the visual there. I'm just going to corkscrew this around a little bit. Oh. And then I want to just pick up the slack of that upper trap because I feel like I'm going to just drop into another little spot here.
Oh, that feels good. It feels good.
So something coming there. It's a bit of a crescendo, but I'll try and
didn't reach it actually.
Didn't reach it?
Yeah. Oh, I feel like going into my head though.
Big headachy spot there, Jace.
Oh yeah, around the temple.
Around the temple. Temple of Doom.
Yeah. Oh.
Harrison Ford.
Sorry, that was the spot. Oh.
And then we'll just slowly finish that off there. Good man. Good man. All right, I'm coming at it again.
Now, what do we got now?
I'm just going to come and do a little bit of a double thumber in here.
A double.
Double thumber. We're just going to go a little bit lower just to see what you've got in here, Jace. One. Little bit there, mate.
Little bit there, but
Not too bad.
not as bad. I feel like there.
There. Got it there.
That goes into the front of my shoulder.
That's front of the shoulder action.
Oh.
So we're just pinning that there. Maybe I could do a little bit of a scoop where I just separate. One thumb goes one way, one goes the other.
That feels good. oh.
Just trying to take that up the
Oh.
neck a little bit
Yeah,
too.
that there. Oh.
There's some good stuff
Couple
up
of
there
lumps up
too,
there, isn't
yeah.
there?
I wonder if I could actually try that one, eh, man? I'm going to start here and we'll go up that line.
Yep.
So see me going up the neck now.
Oh, lump. Oh, there's three.
So you feel like that needs a bit of unwinding there
Yeah.
too, Jace? A bit of Lev Scap action.
Little scap.
Feels like it's a bit related to,
It does, yeah. Feels like it's probably a secondary cause. Like
yeah.
the other stuff's tight, and then this is a flow-on effect. That. Oh, there's three in a row. isn't
Three in a
there?
row. The Three Musketeers.
Oh.
Oh, so pin back and then scoop the bastard out. There's Barry. Bit of Barry here.
Ooh. Oh no. I was about to say they're gone. but
Nah,
that's
they're
good.
still there, bro. Let's
Oh.
go down a little bit more now.
Oh.
There's some stuff there too. And bring it up. Scoop it out.
Oh.
Oh, there's good there too, in there. All right, we'll work down the spine to finish, I reckon, Leo. So I'll come over here, and then we'll work
Finish it
down
off.
the spine. So slowly coming up with the blade of the forearm. Slowly start to sharpen it up a little bit here. Corkscrew comes in,
Oh.
and let's go to town in here, Jace.
Yeah, let's give it a crack.
Give it a crack. So I'm just going to lean over him a little bit more. Sorry for the fingers in the camera.
Oh.
And then there's some gold in here, right next to the spine. Getting into these deeper erectors which attach onto the rib cage. That's it, Jace. Big deep breaths here, man. Big deep breaths. Good, 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 good. One more, bro. That's it.
Oh, feels good to try and breathe into that pressure, like open the back of the ribs up. Feels like it lets you into those little nooks and crannies where like the temptation when you're breathing is, or when you're getting treated is to really tense it.
Yeah.
But actually pushing into your pressure, almost like opening that rib up and allows you into a spot that might not have been able to be accessed.
And then coming into our lower back money spot there to finish off. Just grabbing the table, hooking
Magic.
in.
The
Bit of magic to finish off. The Magic! Stephen Ferraro. Stone top benches.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, we're done.
We're done. We're done. Just a little short one for you there. Just fixing up your everyone's favourite character
Yeah.
at MMT. So I hope you like this one.
Thank you.
Done.
Done.
See ya.
Goodbye.